Welcome to this MachineBuilder Quick Tips video on design shortcuts. The first shortcut is Reinsert Component. This allows you to quickly reinsert the most recently used component without returning to the parts library. You can do this by first selecting the part from your existing design that you would like to reinsert. Then press I to snap another instance of the component to the cursor. Left-click again in the design space to snap the component at the desired location. The next shortcut allows you to temporarily hide selected components from view while keeping them in the design and the bill of materials. Before using the shortcut, select all the components you would like to hide. Then press Ctrl H to hide them from view. The next shortcut is Isolate Parts. This allows you to isolate components by hiding everything from view except the ones you have selected. Start by selecting the components you would like to isolate. Next, press Ctrl J to isolate them in your design. The final shortcut will unhide all hidden components, making it so you can interact with them again. This is achieved by pressing Ctrl Shift H on your keyboard.